How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Arc flip-down visor light. So when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your visor light going to your connection cables here, and you will have a connected cigarette lighter plug here, which I went ahead and plugged into power. And then you have your on-off buttons here on each side of your unit. And then you have your flash pattern changer here, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns. And then you have memory recall on your unit, so you can shut your unit off and back on, and it will remember the last pattern it was on. And you can also go to your previous flash patterns or your next flash patterns here as well. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here. So if you hold one of your pattern buttons for a couple seconds, your unit will go to steady burn. And then if you hold your button down for about 3 seconds, your unit will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those two modes off of your flash pattern buttons here. Now I did bring a red-blue unit with me today, but we offer this unit in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid and half-half color combinations. So let's go over a couple of those. So here I have our amber unit, and I have it on one of our full blink patterns here. And then over here I have our green clear unit, and I have this on one of our slow to fast alternating flash patterns. And all of these units will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. And again, we do offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid or half-half color combinations. When it comes to mounting your unit, you'll see that you get your included Velcro straps here, which you can easily wrap around your flip-down visor, and you can adjust to your vehicle as needed. So that covers our Arc flip-down visor light. Make sure to check out our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit, and also check out our interactive player located on the product page. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.